Hello guys, from Maestro Vito Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special, the most special day ever. Today we are going to make the biggest pizza in the world. Yes, we are actually making the biggest pizza in the world. Like you can see behind me, this pizza, we are going to try to beat the world record made a long time ago. So this is basically the side of a football field made with the real tomato sauce, real dough, real cheese and real pepperoni. Not joking. Like I said, even the Guinness World Record is coming, and for sure we're going to try to beat this record. I'm going to make it the biggest pizza in the world. Let me go show you behind the scenes. Even the pizza cutter, it's big and it's heavy. Even try to cut the pizza with this piece. And also we are going live. Look, we build a set. Thank you, my friend. Stick to the script. Hey. Of course, Vince is with me all the time.
Stick to the script.
And guys, so look at this. We also doing a live stream to show this guy.
I don't think this guy's very good at making pizza.
To show this guy what real pizza means.
I'm pretty sure that he's like lower tier Pizza Hut, right?
Do you guys come in? You guys ever taste a real pizza? The one that I made for you guys at the home.
Yeah, that's the only one I've ever had. It was very good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. But can you make one like that?
Of course. Now you see it live.
No way.
But to taste again my pizza, you know what I'm saying?
Listen, I've eaten a lot of pizzas in my life. Met a lot of pizza chefs. There's one that I respect. There's one that I trust. There's only here. You observed it yourself. There's only one pizza chef in this entire building right now. Even though we're making the world's largest pizza, there's one pizza chef.
I think that's
this guy right here.
So
you can only trust him.
You're about to taste the real pizza, my friend.
Oh, is that right?
Let's make this live on Eric's channel.
That's right.
Here we go, guys. That's what I'm doing. So basically, I'm gonna explain to you step by step. Hopefully, they don't stop us. They are cooking the base, the bottom of the pizza. So this is my direction that I suggest. They are stretching the pizza. Of course, the dough is already made. Then they put it in the pan. How you do, my friend? There we go. Then they make the hole. And after that, they put it in the oven. Is my friend good?
I'm doing well, thank you, yeah.
So that's how they do it. They cook it, par bake, right?
Oh,
Just par bake.
Yes, par bake.
They par bake it, and then they're going to place it inside the location. How many you guys, what time you start today?
I started at 4, but they've been here all day long.
4 p.m.
I started at 4, but there's a crew coming in at midnight going all night.
All day.
And another crew tomorrow.
How long is it gonna take to make this big pizza?
I don't know, but I think it's gonna be
24 hours?
Maybe.
24 hours the goal? I thought it was 6-7 hours. I'm coming from Italy.
Oh, no way.
Directly from Italy for this. So let's go,
Well,
let's go.
You're the true judge of pizza.
We'll see. We'll see. Here we go how they start. I forgot to put this part at the beginning. So all the dough comes out with these huge trucks. And then that's how they do it. So they pre-made the dough like that. Come with me. The dough comes out frozen. They defreeze this like that at room temperature for how many hours?
2 or 3.
2 or 3 hours. Fantastic. And then they go to the second step, which is that one. Okay, so let's see what's the next step, how they're actually making this pizza. Ready? Ooh, voila. We are inside the magic. So this is the actual pizza dough, like you can see, it's cooked. And then they're gonna go ahead and oops, voila. They place it there on this rack. And this is what they are doing here. Take a look. They are making the sauce. They are putting the sauce, and then they are putting also the cheese. Let me get you close to that. This side. Voila. And the last part, the final part, the beginning of the final part is how they cook it. Come here. I know that you are interested out to see how they cook it. We study everything by details. Today, this is the pizza oven.
I can't even get it up off the plate.
It's a pizza oven.
Melts that cheese so good.
That's what I'm talking about. So the pizza is cooking. Let's see how we're gonna cook the whole pizza. It's the second pizza oven right there.
Sauce.
And now it's time for the pepperoni on the pizza. We are like 10% done. I think it's time to help a little bit, and because time is running, and then I also want to show you how really this pizza is made. So let's go ahead and let's make it. And then we do it like a Neapolitan style pizza, you know what I'm saying? Time to cook the pizza. Look at this. So Nati, I think we're gonna finish this by probably it's 11, 15, probably by tomorrow morning. I don't know, but we're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna stay up all night. That's the way to cook it. The biggest pizza in the world.
Look at us, man. Look at
And in order to make sure this pizza is Italy approved, I brought my most Italian friend and celebrity pizza chef, Vito.
Of course.
Anything is possible, right?
Anything is possible. And for you to see where we are, we're about to be 15% done.
They didn't
After
say that.
this, you are the number one.
Nobody.
This also my dream come true. Ragazzi, tutto è possibile. Se ce l'abbiamo fatta noi in America, ce la fanno tutti. Facciamo piovere i peperoni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever he
That's
said.
what I'm talking about.
This is. Let's go, Italy.
Yeah. Come here, come here. Because with this, we're going to cut the actual pizza. Guys, this is real. Come here, come here. They are going to cut the pizza with this. This is real, it's metal. Let me show you with the key. Hold on, I don't have the key. I don't have the key, but guys, this is metal. So this is actually, it's a real cutting for the, oh, look at this. It moves. So, it's gonna be amazing, outstanding. Guys, these videos deserve the most likes possible. Let's go ahead, 10,000 likes.
We got it. Don't let it go.
Need more help on that side.
Okay.
I'm coming over there.
Oh God, I'm losing on this side.
This pizza is gonna be 132 feet across. This is about a 20th of what we need.
Oh my God. Oh, it's drooping. It's drooping.
48 hours.
Okay.
I got it.
Get up there.
We have to build. Okay.
That was heavy.
I just got hurt my hand.
Okay guys, it's time to show you in what point we are. I'm super tired, you can see my face. I'm excited. Watch this, we're almost done. But it's not super complete. Let me show you in what point where we are. It's about 1 a.m. It's been a long day and I'm super really super tired. But let me show you what we're missing, just a little piece, and explain you a couple of things, and then just come with me, come with me. It's like going through a football field. How big is it gonna be? Oh my God. Looks like I went around the football field. It took me 1 minute and a half to go around this pizza. It's huge. Now, let's go ahead, let's get back to work. We're gonna finish this. Let's go.
2, 3, 4, 16.
60 feet.
16.
16 feet, guys, we are about to be done, but before we are done and celebrate with these guys here, anyway, the pizza took 48 hours to make. 48 hours, guys. And this pizza, actually, I'm gonna say this at the end, how many feet was the actual pizza. Then we got 8,800 pounds of cheese. The dough was 13,000 pounds and 653 pounds of dough. Tomato sauce, 4,948 pounds. And the pepperoni, guys, the pepperoni is we count the pepperoni that was on the pizza. How many you guys think?
I know.
You guys know.
About 30,000.
30,000.
20,000.
20,000. 1,260,992 pepperoni on the biggest pizza in the world. Okay, guys, I'm super excited. Look at this. We're about to be done completely with the biggest pizza in the world. So stay with me and watch these few minutes for making this unique. And let's see if we can get this Guinness World Record.
Yeah, I know. There it is.
There we go! Ready, guys? We're about to finish this pizza.
Here we go. The final pepperoni.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the world's largest pizza.
And guys, finally we did it! Yeah! Take a look how big is this pizza. And so exhausted about this. Take a look, what time is it? It's 5:25 and we got the Guinness World Record, guys. It's insane. I'm super happy about all of this. It's been like a lot. It's a huge journey. I couldn't shut the Guinness World Record yet, but I'm gonna put some clip of Eric and their friends because I was busy prepping and everything. This is how the biggest pizza in the world is made. Thank you so much, guys, and subscribe to my channel because this is the channel for the pizza lover. I'll see you at the next one.